The State Club Foundation Spring Tune-Up held at Pine Hills Golf Club featured a day filled with laughter, skill, and afforded us the opportunity to dust off our clubs, enjoy the scenery, and challenge ourselves on a beautiful yet demanding course. The State Club Foundation brings together good people united by a commitment to serve, and what better way to come together than on the golf course? With nearly 30 golfers joining us, it was another fantastic day on the links. But this is just the beginning. The State Club Foundation has a summer packed with golf events across the Northeast and Central Ohio. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a newcomer to the game, there's always a spot in our foursome for you. Visit our website at www.thestake.club to discover more about our organization and to find your next opportunity to join us on the links. Because when good people come together, great things happen.